Today I am showing you how to make French braid. First of all, comb your hairs and separate some hair for half ponytail. Gently hold half of hairs and divide them into 3 portions and make simple braid. Now carefully add some hairs from the right side and include them in your braid. Similarly, take some hairs from the left side and include them in your braid. Repeat this process. Once the side hairs are finished, complete the braid till end. Now secure your half ponytail hair look with the hair clips. As you can see how beautiful and stylish our French braid is looking. In this video, I am going to show you 1-minute French twist with a stick. First of all, comb your hair so that there is no frizz. Now make a center ponytail with the help of a rubber band. Put your ponytail towards your forehead and put a big hair clutcher. Now leave your hair back and comb again. Gently roll the edge of your ponytail and reverse it inside. Make sure you cover the whole clutcher with the hair and secure the loosened part with a hairpin. Cover all the sides and secure them with hairpin. Here we have our classic French bun ready in just 2 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.